Hi y'all, welcome back to the Moxi Warehouse. I'm Evelyn.
I'm Shove.
Today we will be giving our skates a makeover, but it's gonna be a challenge.
Evelyn, would you say a Moxi makeover?
A Moxi makeover, definitely, yes. In this makeover, it's actually gonna be a challenge.
There are some pieces of paper. What are on the pieces of paper? They will tell you if we have 60 seconds or 4 minutes to choose items to refresh and make over our skates. So I don't know, 60 seconds doesn't seem like enough time. 4 minutes, I think I'll overthink it. How do you feel about this time?
I feel like we're on like the cooking show where someone's gonna forget the protein and then you're screwed and I'm not gonna have wheels because I'm the only one that doesn't have wheels to start off with.
You only grab 1 pack of wheels instead of 2 pack of wheels?
Okay, take note, what not to do, get 2 packs of wheels, perfect.
How do you feel about making over your skates?
I'm really excited, just because it's gonna be a whole different style than what they were originally.
The way we're gonna make over our skates is there are simple things we can do. We already have the boot, we already have our trucks, but we might need bearings, wheels, toe stops, and laces. The go-to to kind of like take your skates from not to hot.
The best part is we're all gonna be wearing a GoPro on us, so you will definitely be hearing us think out loud because that's all gonna be required. Everyone needs to know exactly what we're thinking.
No one told me that. Oh, the pressure.
All right, it's time for us to pick our time limit and see if we're gonna be 60 seconds, a minute, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. I'm stalling. Okay, here we go. First one is 2 minutes.
4 felt too long. I don't know.
Let's see. Oh, Evie's got 4.
All right, I'm gonna be stuck with the 60 seconds. 3 minutes.
Oh, Shove.
Challenge accepted.
60 seconds.
I know exactly one thing that I want, and that's the wheels because I know what style I'm doing. But other than that, now it's trying to decide what I want because my skates are black and white and they match with everything. All right, Kayla.
All right, here we go, and the time starts now.
Okay. Well, I could get gummy wheels, but gummy wheels are a little big for my liking, especially because I got wide trucks. So let's go with, let's do some energy wheels. Okay, but this is the part where I don't know what I want. Like, do I want that one? That one? That one? No. I'll come back for that one. Okay. Hold on. I've been eyeballing these checkered ones, maybe? Toe stops. Yeah, I guess it's kind of boring though. Oh, bearings. Hold on, I can't forget those. Let's go with the cute ones. Yeah, we'll go with the cute ones. Okay, I'm done. So these are my befores. As you can tell, they're kind of Frankenstein, mismatched laces, but let's see what they're gonna look like after.
I'm really nervous. I'm not sure what to do because Evelyn stole all my swag, so I'm gonna have to rethink everything that I know. I have 3 minutes, so wish me luck. Okay, I already know what I want over here because I need to keep my snot wheels. And then I think I know what I want over here. So we have light pink, hot pink, or maybe yellow. You see all my options in front of me. Okay. So I do like that. I do like that. That's really cute. Oh wait, actually, I could be different from Evelyn. Okay, I'm good. I know what I want. It went really good. I feel much better now. We made some changes, and I think my skates are gonna really take the cake here.
I'm feeling kind of nervous. It's getting lower on the time end of it, and the only one that's lower is 60 seconds. So we're gonna see how it goes. Everybody seems to get theirs in about like 2 minutes, so we'll see. I think it'll be okay.
Got 2 minutes on the clock.
Okay.
Start right now.
Okay, here, let's see. I think I want the yellow brake pedals maybe to go with my pineapple skates. And I'm trying to make this an outdoor setup, but I still want to be able to go inside. So let me see. Maybe these blue fun days would be cute. Now laces. This is so difficult. Like, I really like this green, but I want it to match with everything. Like, and I have blue in my bag and yellow. We're all out of that one. Ah, I'm not gonna get enough stuff. Oh my God. Okay, there's bearings. I have wheels, I have toe stop, I have laces. Yeah, okay, I think I did it. It feels super stressful in the moment. You have no idea. You're like, what do my skates look like? What is this gonna look like in the end? I'm hoping it comes out okay.
After watching everyone else, and especially after being the timekeeper, I no longer feel like I am proud about the whole 60 seconds thing. I take it all back. I don't know if I'll make it. But we're gonna give it the good old college try. Wish me luck.
And it starts right now.
All right, so I wear a size 10, so the laces that are gonna go best for me are gonna be ones that are 108, which doesn't give me that many options, but we do have some. So we're gonna go with the Moxi ones. Yes. All right, then we need some wheels. Panicking. Okay, so we're gonna do some Fun Day wheels, pink, and then we're gonna do light up jammers. I'm done. I did good because I didn't get anything I didn't need. I already have bearings, so that's good. I am gonna do a dance kind of setup instead, which is different than other people, so I didn't need as many things. My skates are a mess. The wheels are pretty old. They're starting to get divots in them, so that's not really safe. And the toe stops aren't that bad, but we'll see when we get the other one what they look like. And you'll also see the other ones like literally falling apart. So I'm nice to kind of like, you know, dust them off and make me proud to skate in them again.
So before, I know from what used to be
drab to fab.
I think we got it finished.
Oh yeah.
It looks like we're kind of going to the same party.
I know.
If you do this yourself, what should the people do? Because we kind of want to challenge you to go ahead and also do a Moxi makeover on your skates.
I know. I think that basically what makes a makeover on your skate is like changing up these different components like the laces, the wheels, the toe stop for sure, even just the bearings. Changing that little item can make such a huge difference in how you're looking at your skates.
So when you go ahead and do all that, post a picture, have a photo shoot with your skates, whether it's just them on a pedestal or you're wearing them. Take a picture, post it on Instagram, tag us, use hashtag MoxiMakeOver, and you have a chance to win what?
You have an opportunity to win your choice of brake pedal or gumballs, some laces, and the Moxi mixtape bearings.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Moxi YouTube channel, and hit us up at MoxiSkates.com for all of your roller skate needs.